Hi, Margot Freitag here from Taiga Whole Health. I'm here today reporting from my secret headquarters, my little piece of heaven on earth. I'll show you around here. And this is a space that I love to share with my two beloved horses. Here's Rio Caballo, one of them here, and Spanish Star is over there, my Pryor Mountain Mustang. And I'm here today because it's cold outside, and there's a point. I'm going to get to that, but I wanted to let you know that I'm going to be sending a vlog every second week just to give you some extra plant-based nutrition tips, fitness advice and tips, and some lifestyle hacks that will help you live your extraordinary life, your plant-based life. Anyway, today I want to talk to you a little bit about motivation. That's my topic. And I thought that I would talk about this because, really, because it's cold outside. And the reason is because cold weather has always been typically my excuse for not getting out and getting exercise. But what happened was, when I got my first horse, I discovered very quickly that having to go out at night when it's 40 below and dark, and you just have to go and make sure that the ice on the water trough isn't frozen, or you have to clean out the stalls, or you have to feed those guys, you have to dress properly. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. And so what I learned was that if you dress properly, even when it's 40 below, it's never too cold. So what happened to me was I discovered that the cold weather could not be an excuse for me not to get out and get some exercise. And that's what I wanted to talk to you about today. Motivation is really just a crock. You can't wait for motivation. You can't wait for good weather. You can't wait until it's not raining or not windy or not cold, or you're not tired, or you don't have other things to do. There's always going to be something, some reason why you can't do it. But the truth is that if it's important, if you make it a priority, then it can happen. And a great example is Dr. Ruth Heydrich. She is that special lady who reversed her stage 4 breast cancer 30 years ago just by adopting a plant-based diet. She's also a world triathlete, a world-class triathlete. And Ruth Heydrich actually, still to this day, at the age of 78 years old, is doing a mini triathlon every day. Every single day she does a run, a bike, and a swim. And when I asked her about ever missing, she said she never misses. She just said, I never miss. It's not an option. And I asked her why, and she said, because if you miss once, then it's easy to miss again. It's easy to miss again. And we all know what that's like. It is easy to miss again. If you didn't go yesterday, well, it's kind of easy not to go today. And maybe it's going to be easy not to go tomorrow, even though you might say, I'll just do it tomorrow. So the point is, don't let things stop you. Don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for good weather. Just get out there and get some exercise, get some fresh air, some vitamin D, dress properly, and you'll be fine. And you will never come inside from being outdoors and say, I wish I didn't do that. You'll always be happy you did. Anyway, leave a comment for me below. Thumbs up, thumbs down, it doesn't matter. I just love to hear from you. And these guys are fighting for hay behind me. And we'll be in touch. Thanks for listening. Bye.